Hello, I'm Ben. Today I'm going to burp on my newspaper. Ben, how dare you fight it on your own newspaper? Don't you know that newspaper costs? It costs us $3. Don't you even think about saying that? That's it. You're grounded for burping on your newspaper. Go to your room now. Oh, yeah.